Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. Today's question is, can application of Balashwagandhadi oil along with Murivenna oil cure umbilical hernia fully? So, before discussing umbilical hernia, we shall learn about Balashwagandhadi oil and Murivenna first. Balashwagandhadi oil is an Ayurvedic herbal oil which has Brahmana or nourishing action. It is used to increase the strength of muscles and nerves. This oil is only used for external application. This oil is useful in Vata diseases like arthritis, lumbar spondylitis, cervical spondylitis, neuralgia, paralysis, etc. It is very beneficial in diseases which need strengthening treatment like emaciation, lack of strength in joints, muscles and bones, wasting of muscles, etc. Some of the ingredients used in the preparation of this oil include sesame oil, supernatant liquid of curds, ashwagandha, bala, that is country mallow, red sandalwood, turmeric, etc. Ancient Ayurveda master Bhava Mishra in his treatise Bhava Prakasha says Kshayapaha Balya Rasayani. It means ashwagandha is useful in Kshaya, depleted body tissues, Balya, ashwagandha promotes strength of muscles and tissues, Rasayani, ashwagandha has tissue rejuvenating and anti-aging effects. All these benefits are made available in the oil Balashwagandhadi Thailam. A research study has been conducted to test the efficacy of this wonderful oil Balashwagandhadi Thailam on heart dysfunction. Now, let us learn about Murivenna oil. Murivenna is a Kerala-based Ayurvedic herbal oil which is mainly indicated in the treatment of wounds or injury-related conditions. The word Murivenna originated from two Malayalam words, Murivu, which means wound, and Enna means oil. Benefits of Murivenna oil are, it helps in wound healing, it can be applied over fresh wounds or old non-healing wounds. Because of its anti-inflammatory and analgesic actions, it can be used very effectively in fractures and ligament injuries. Other indications of Murivenna include arthritis pain, bursitis, gout, cervical and lumbar spondylosis, etc. Coconut oil, onion, moringa, aloe vera, etc. are some of the ingredients used in preparation of this oil. Let us discuss in brief about concept of hernia in Ayurveda. Hernia is called Antravriddhi in Ayurveda. At first, vitiated vata displaces the intestine from its normal side. After displacing it, vata further pushes the part of intestine into the groin region and scrotum. So, now coming to the question of whether herbal oils can cure hernia or not. We cannot claim complete cure of hernia just with the application of oil. Also, according to modern science, hernia is said to be a surgical condition and cannot be treated with medicines. But we cannot deny the benefits of these two oils in treating hernia because application of oils may help to strengthen abdominal muscles and would help to reduce the symptoms of hernia. But complete cure with these is hard to promise. In some infants, the umbilical hernia heals on itself when the infant starts crawling on the stomach. This self-healing of hernia in some infants can be slightly accelerated by the application of these two oils on the abdomen. One among the Balashwagandhadi oil or Murivenna can be applied on the abdomen 10 minutes before bath every day to strengthen the muscles of the abdomen. One must have precaution with infants is always check with your Ayurveda doctor before using any oil or medicine. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit easyayurveda.com.